hopefully I can see some wildlife today because water conditions aren't very good at all. River's chocolate milk again. Third time I went. First time I went, did okay. I caught 10 fish. Then I went on Memorial Day with my wife, and water conditions was even worse than this. Chocolate milk, flow was fast, and basically caught one fish. Not enough to make a video. So this is my third time out. It's been a week since Memorial Day. And the river just seceded enough for me to come out again. But it's still in pretty bad shape. Hopefully at least I can see some wildlife. It's nice and peaceful. It's a pretty nice day out today. But I do not expect the fishing to be very good. Fishing a black and blue Bitsy Bug right now. I have a TRD hog as a trailer. Just trying to give them something that they can be able to see. Not sure how good the whopper plopper would do right now. River's a little deeper than normal, and like I said, the visibility isn't real good. I'm sure they could hear the sound of the whopper plopper, but just doesn't seem like they've been interested thus far. Had a couple nibbles on this jig, but no committers yet. Probably small rock bass or something. Well, if nothing else, I'm just gonna enjoy the trip, and hopefully I can catch a few, at least make a video out of it. Just escape the lunacy in the world and get out here. Oh, snatch that rock bass up. Little guy. Probably what's been nibbling these little rock bass. At least I got one fish. Still got a while to go. I just started maybe a half an hour ago or so. I'll take it. Just got the skunk off the boat. Water seems to have cooled down a lot. Fishing the Bitsy Bug on my Daiwa Tatula 7-foot medium. It's a regular action rod. I have a whopper plopper size 75 tied on my Dobbins Champion 704 glass rod. But right now I'm sticking to this black and blue, given the water color. Trying to figure out where these fish would be in conditions like this. There's so much cover and big boulders they could hide behind. There's fallen trees and logs all over the place. He's running right at me. Smallie. inside the mouth. Might be a little pregnant female. It's a little belly on it. The eyes are kind of half orange. Feels really, really soft too. At least I got a couple just in this section, so might be able to get a few today. Might not be as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Rock bass. Little tiny one. Looks like it's pregnant though. As soon as I hit the water, he hit that jig. There's a smallie. Best fish of the day so far. His tail looks like she's making the bed. Got a little belly on her. So could be getting ready to spawn or something. A rock bass? Oh, that's a smallie. Bloody fin. At least I'm catching something today. Little tiny rock bass. It's a little guy. Probably average size anywhere else, but not in this river. Just found this Bomber 5FS Shallow A. It's like sexy shad color maybe, just laying in this grass right here. Don't look too bad. Take it home, sharpen the hooks up, be good to go. It's a nice crankbait. I always like finding lures. I'm finding a lot this year because a lot of people are out fishing this year. It's pretty annoying, but at least I found something besides trash that they left behind. There's been way too much littering going on. It's bad enough normal fishermen, but you got everybody and anybody out fishing lately with this virus thing. They just kind of want to get out of the house, and they just leave their trash wherever. And it's pretty ridiculous. Another nibble. I think he actually got it. Big old rock bass. This might be another 9-incher. I already got my 9-inch. Fish a higher pin. Not sure if you can get multiple pins or what. But I'm gonna measure them anyway. It is definitely 9 inches. It is 9 1/4, probably stretching to 9 1/2. Second 9-incher this season. Big ol' fat rock bass. Be good eating, but I don't eat anything out of this river. You're allowed to eat like one a month or something like that, but I'd rather not. I don't eat too many fish. He's a big one though. Come on now. A little tiny rock bass. Small little babies. hitting it in one spot and then he's done with it. There we go. This feels like a smallie. Oh yeah. That's probably the best smallie of the day. Oh yeah, their eyes are like half orange now. They're not all the way orange, or notice that on the other one. They're awful blonde looking too. He's not bad. Thought it felt weird. Felt like a chatterbait for a minute. Oh, tiny rock grasses on there. What the heck are you doing, dude? Caught some small rock bass today. That might be the smallest one yet. Smallest one ever, I think I caught. Didn't even feel him, just felt like my jig was a chatterbait.